Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a short video on problems I've had with Windows 10. I'm showing you Google here and just typed in Windows 10 update sound problems. And I'll show you there's a host of links addressing this problem. So I'm not alone and I don't have the answer for all the fixes. So if you're having a problem, you might look at one of these links as a possible fix. Mine has basically been on two of my computers, two of my laptops. This one I'm making this video on. It's an HP with a terabyte of disk space, and I just got it probably 6 months ago. I'll leave a link to my review of this laptop. It's a great laptop. It's got a touch screen, which is really great for this price range. But at any rate, all of a sudden, after the last Windows update, which was in October, I could not get any sound out of the laptop speakers. I could only get sound from my headphones. So I looked at every possible update. I made sure all my drivers were updated. And finally, I just did a rollback and went back 2 or 3 days and went back to the previous update. So the bottom line was I had to do a restore. And I don't know if Windows has updated since then. Maybe it has. According to CNET or one of those, they've tried to come up with fixes for these latest downloads or updates in October and November. And so that worked, and I haven't had any problems since on this laptop. Now, 2 days ago, and this is the 24th, a couple days after Thanksgiving, all of a sudden my old Lenovo laptop, which I've updated with a newer HP hard drive, and I have a video on that. If you're interested in how I did that, I'll provide a link here. But I use it to run YouTube TV, which I really like. It's only $35 a month. I think now it's $40 a month. But what I do is I simply use the old Lenovo laptop, which has HD resolution, and I feed it through an HDMI cord into my Vizio Smart TV, and it works great. But after the last update, which I didn't realize had happened 2 days before, all of a sudden the HDMI cord didn't seem to be working correctly. And at first it was not feeding the volume into the TV, and then eventually it wouldn't even feed most of the video, just the desktop of the laptop, but not any of the icons. So I immediately had an epiphany and thought, well, I wonder if this is related to Windows. So I did a restore, or I clicked on restore. You just simply do a down in your left search box, just type in restore, and it'll take you to the restore feature. And lo and behold, the Windows had done an update, Windows 10 had done an update just 2 days previously. So I said, well, I'm going to try it before I go through all these other issues. So I did the restore, and lo and behold, problem solved. So as I say, there's probably several ways to resolve these issues. So you might try restore if all these other things don't work, if you want to try them first. But it seems that sound is especially affected by these updates, and hopefully they will resolve it eventually. But at any rate, if you're interested, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, it's Harrison 4803. Here's my channel. I have lots of playlists. I'll show you here. I do solar systems. I have some spirituality, John Deere mower videos, getting rid of pests in the lawn, um, Nordic Track repairs, computer repairs and reviews of purchases like this laptop I'm showing this video on, review of my Generac power washer and use of it, other power equipment that I get, uh, wood projects. I built a nice center here for the TV and so forth. I have landscape lights, refrigerator repairs, generator hookup and maintenance, and then other interior electrical wiring and so forth projects, also lawn projects, so lawn equipment and so forth. So if you're interested, click on the bell and subscribe, and give me any comments on any other type of videos you'd like to see also. This is Old John signing out.